This how you break the bolt. They better than PB Blast. The beef for blast, the beef for blast, bonding. The beef for blast and bonding.
How much do you get out? When you sell a bottle, how much?
I don't sell bottle, I sell cake.
I'm saying,
I mean, you need these bolts too, right?
Yeah, once they drop on the ground, I'm gonna put it back. Pick up
everything. What color thinking cap you want, man? Thinking cap, man. All two work the same. It's the applicator
man,
and the applier.
You know you psych the fuck out, right?
I'm gonna go to the gym. The grip ply stronger than me.
You need to think it.
Oh no, I need it. Nah, I need some whatchamacallit.
What?
I'm gonna show you in a second. It right here.
God, here you go with this shit. Come on, man. Let's get this shit. Your ass is as fuck, bro.